important. That is my little, I would say, on this Black Stars thing. Controversy, Kasa Bebrebe Atenye. Naturally, I don't want to go there, but fortunately, when the time comes, if you give him the contract and he wants to choose, he will choose his players. Nobody can choose for him. And then, who's a player be? He will call. If he sees this player is not going to help his cause, why not? He moves on. After all these things, team, straightforward. And Mahuse in Sembebre Ekoso, I was able to go watch Croatia with my family. Croatia and Ghana game, you know. And I feel say the Black Stars, they did what they could do, what they can do. A World Cup way. And what I have noticed, and then say, Ghana we talk a lot. We are passionate about soccer and as a football. And sometimes, you know, yama so passionate for soccer or football, no. It forces us to make some comments. Most times, you know, we say later, no, you realize, you know, na asem nankasa no edda ho na and baby. We all enjoyed the Black Stars when they were in the United States. We saw the 3 games they played. In fact, the 4 games they played. We saw a Black Star that say Echo World Cup. You and I, we didn't give them a dog chance to even qualify from the group stage. And you and I, we are say Tamana Black Star, we Echo World Cup. About 90% of Ghanaians did not even believe say they'll win one game. All of us, most of us, we didn't believe that this team Echo Star World Cup. Number to me, we need even one game, a single game. But when they went to the World Cup, we saw what happened. We saw players who, at the end of the day, now you expect some excel at World Cup. No, they excelled, especially SM, who will be giving the money from me very soon. Any other players we expect to say, and I say, they will be committed, and they were always committed. I'm speaking as a Ghanaian and speaking about a team at a World Cup. No, we didn't get the results we wanted. We didn't get to where we believe at a point to say a bit to me. But the honest truth is, the Black Star and Echo World Cup, we all knew that that team could not even cross the first round. We all knew. We all knew. Especially when we bring in a coach less than 2 months to elect to the Mundial. You don't expect to say, team ana one, on trust him to say, a team a bit to me are performing on its own. Now, as the coach, about less than 2 months to take the team to the World Cup. So let us not kid ourselves. World Cup, we are your core, you know. Now, you say this team, but for some reason, the team no do point to me approve which they say if they are given the room to work, to play, to represent Ghana as a unit, hey, if they are given the needed guidance, if they are given the needed support, if they are given the needed logistics, and they are given that needed nationalistic look, they can basically perform even after World Cup. No? Indeed, the Black Stars leaving the competition, yeah, but let's be realistic here. The realistic issue here is our team, the strength, you know. Right now, you are watching some games. From the time you do the round of 32, every round of 16, people are beginning to see the quality in teams World Cup. Let's be blunt here. People are beginning to see the quality. So right now, Ghana for admit to say our team did not even deserve to cross the first round because of the kind of good soccer we are seeing now. Let's not. Sometimes I want to say you new reality. We know the reality. When you say your team at the core, you know, baby, I do a one and they will see you do. The coach who came in, the Black Stars coach, Queiroz, he did his part as a team manager. At the end of the day, he was given a job to do. And that job was to manage or guide the Black Stars to make sure they move forward in the tournament. Now, what the coach did, majority of you, Moshemi, when him say, the materials a coach will be told or they call World Cup, no? At the end of the day, nobody was expecting this coach to do or to be able to perform the way he performed. Most of you did not. Ghana first started following Black Stars after their second game. And they were like, hey, team, no. But most people, Your first game cry boy no. Now 99% of Ghana for you not trust this team to be able to score even Panama. It is a fact. So this man comes in, he takes the team to the World Cup, and then he starts to build some confidence in the team. Then we start to believe in the team a little bit. Then small people start to come around. Then people start to buy jerseys. Then people start to believe. Why are people starting to believe? People start to believe because they are seeing some potential. They are beginning to see that, okay, if the coach is good, if the players are committed, maybe. So we were running on basically maybe, because most of us knew the team was not that strong to beat any team they meet. Let's be honest. Mummy enjoy politics, you know. Mummy enjoy say, you person blame one person, two persons, GFA, sports minister. They have their own problems, which we will deal with it at the right time. But realistically, Yenina started being like, hey, Black Star, we support Black Star. Yenkoto Jersey, because later now you won't say, coach, you know, hey, BB after our first game. Let's be honest here. Our first game, we won. Now you crampo the engine this year, but we win match. It is slowly. We all started doing what? We all started believing in the team. Now, a team we didn't believe to even win 3 games. The team went on to qualify to the next round. Now, if the team goes to the next round and meets Colombia, and at the end of the day, we are not able to beat Colombia. Colombia share 1. The performance we were expecting. You see, not Ghana for we were too expectant. Our hopes were too high because of what the team did in their previous 2 games before we met Colombia. Every single Ghanaian obedo Black Stars, no, we basically expect the expectation to course through. And let's be fair, this team did not even know itself. This team, after 2 games, they bring identity kakra say this is a team. This is a team that we all knew said there was nothing like first 11. We all knew it, right? Now, it is Colombia. Now Colombia share 1-0. Now your free tournament anymore. I don't expect Ghanaians to be blowing too much hot air, picking some players out, and deliberately deciding to insult people. Like players are, some of them, they have to go for surgery after tournament, all because they want to play for their nation. I believe Ghana as a nation, at least we have found a coach. Ultimately, this short period, it may identify potentials in our Black Stars. A coach who has, at the end of the day, been able to build all of us up, our confidence up to believe in the Black Stars again. I believe this man needs to be given about a 2-year contract. That is my opinion. Actually, a leadership na omudi sports in our GFA, our ministry, unless they are daft and they don't know what they are doing. But from what we saw at the World Cup, from Nyoma Yewuye, the tactical play, let's be very fair. I don't want to go into the game itself, but let's be very fair. The kind of players are other teams that compete here, a parody against our players. You know, you can see, say, with all due respect to our players, you know, they don't come close. And when I say they don't come close, in terms of form, in terms of cohesion, in terms of a team playing collectively, now your team no end that level, no. Even though most of our players or all our players are professional players. Mama I want to say, France in the core World Cup, France in the core World Cup. No. Now, as we sit here, our team was centered on about 2-3 people. And that's not my style to point out this player, because and the player will be there, Ochina player will be there. A few players they are consistent. A few players and they are consistent. And so let us understand this as a team way. A team are able to me trust and believe going into the nation's cup. What we need to do is we need to at least give this man about 2 or 3 year contract. 2 years to me is decent. 2 years, because I saw, at least we all saw. Okay, at least we all saw what this man is capable of doing. We all saw a Juma or yeah. Let me tell you, the coach played those tactics at the World Cup, my opinion, all because of the materials he had. And the fact of the case is to say, material and to me and bought to say France. and to me embo at say Colombia, and to me embo at say England. What you do is then you don't embarrass yourself. Though then what you do is you hold your team. So the tactics this coach played at the World Cup was not because he loves to play that kind of tactics. It was not because that was the best tactics for him, the best formation. It was because of the materials he had. It was because of what he came to meet. It was because of what he had to use. Only option be now. Senka coach on the first game when he shared 7-0, and on the second game when he shared 3-0. And on the third game when he shared 4-0. And in all the 3 games, and obi muno open game and he shared 7-0. Like I didn't come back at coaching. Kabaka coach was bon pa. But at least what the coach did was that and I cannot kill the spirit of this team. So what I have to do is to be tactical. So most of the coaches in this tournament, they are playing some kind of formation because of what people are facing them with. They are playing some kind of formation because of what they have, the materials they have. France can play 5 attackers because he has a lot. He has 5 quality strikers he can field. And strikers who can basically somehow can be converted into midfielders. But you don't have that luxury. You as Black Star, you don't have that material. So I feel we were too expectant. Our hopes were picked out too much, and we felt to say, I will say, your bot is France. It does not work like that. This is a team we need to build. This is a man, at least we have seen Nejuma 4 games of World Cup. Tactically, we all know this man is a matured coach who knows what he's doing. So, say me, Ubusami say, should we give this man another contract? We should give this man 2-year contract. Leave this man to do his job. Let's stay away. Let's not interfere. Let him pick the people he can work with. Then we can blame him when things go wrong. But at least the World Cup, this Carlos coach is a perfect coach for Ghana. At least we saw discipline. As we saw a coach who could vary tactics, a coach who took his time to make decisions. So please, media, when you ask me, today the coach said, I didn't resign. I sent a message of gratitude. Or see, the statement not the Bible, and your statement and I said or resign from Ghana Black Stars. Or see that contest no mukoye this tournament no mukoye at least say we tournament now. He has the right as a coach, respectfully, to tell Ghanaians that you supported us through this campaign. And that this campaign has ended. And I'm letting you people understand and say, campaign we must support, musika mudicha ticket. We are telling you people we appreciate. If you want to move ahead from this tournament, there are some things we need to do. It does not mean Coach Lucas are resigning. So the coach himself has come out to say he didn't resign. And Ankabemi Yapa said, Metis a coach will resign here. And it's an answer to my platform, myself, I didn't say because I felt to say this coach, we need this coach. This is a mature man, he's an experienced coach. And if the FA and the sports ministry they are listening, you need to sit with this man, give this man a contract to take over the team. Say, and the coach will team every single player he says, I wouldn't call again. I wouldn't recall. I will work with. We will have to respect that. From captain to the last mazua in the team. So coach decided to play with me peno and I play with me pena. It is up to him. So I believe that the coach should be given the room to do his job. And the FA needs to do that. If this coach is willing to coach Black Stars, manage the Black Stars, let us all support this idea. So Oba Altonoka said he still wants the job. I believe that at this point we have Nations Cup coming up very, very soon. We don't have time. This is a coach who, at least for now, understands the team, understands the players psychologically, emotionally, on the field, discipline. Let us hand over the team to the coach. At least 2-year contract. Unless we are stupid. Unless you say you're Jimmy. Unless you say ni pebi person with Ghana your business. Unless a man for be and respecting Ghanaians. But I believe so being him coach, or you're close to this coach, and he's thinking of not taking the job. We should try and convince this man to take the job because it is important that we get a more qualified, respectable, experienced coach at this point who can identify players, work with them, and give us the results we want. And we see results in this man. For a very long time, so many people did not have belief in the Black Stars. But this short period, how the love was back, how people, this is the first time Black Stars are called World Cup, the controversies, obviously, we had some little controversies about ticketing and all that. But this is the first time you have seen a coach who has things under control. A coach who is in charge of a team. And that is what we need. We need people who are managers. People players will respect. People who can take charge. And if this coach agrees to work with us, he has the right to choose who he wants to work with. We have to at least give him the room to decide who he wants to work with, whether in management level or whatever level we need to allow. So I will plead with the FA. It is better we reach out to this man again. He has not resigned. He has said it himself. We need to give him the opportunity to come in again and help Ghana Black Stars. We have a very good team, a very young potentials. There are so many hungry players. And when I say hungry, players who want to prove themselves around the world in their respective leagues. Let us give this man a job for the man to do what is right for us. It is important. That is my little, I would say, on this Black Stars thing. Controversy, Kasa Bebrebe, Atenye. Naturally, I don't want to go there, but coaching in him there, when the time comes, if you give him the contract and he wants to choose, he will choose his players. Nobody can choose for him. And then, who's the player be? He will call. If he sees this player is not going to help his cause, why not? He moves on. And that is what we have been talking about. Very, very important. So let's not make this so complicated. The FA, the ministry, you guys should sit down. Let us do it quickly. Sit the man down, agree to the terms. Let all meet at a point, and then give the Black Stars to him to take us to the Nations Cup. I know and I believe that this man can make things happen for the Black Stars. Now, so me catch them for say me Frederick Ba Murefi. This is Frederick Ba.
Thank you very much, 19. Thank you very much.
Frederick Ba, now I'm in the backstage. Oko Sunyana na yenyi go pie. Frederick Ba me no. I Embassy Pleasure 1990, yeah. Because me call 2, me call 99, I'm call 2. No, me call 96. And I'm arrested Kakara me bar 98. And I'm call 90. Me call 3, Embassy Pleasure. This is Frederick Ba. Mini Papa, I don't know. But I say with Freeman something like that. This guy is a good dancer. Dangerous. Or not to me. Na time I'm not Frederick here ready. Abe ni mo no. And I'm sure Frederick say dangerous aba. But Sibia on say Frederick no. Your friend be has say no right shoulder no in dance no. Your friend drop act. And left no. Your friend again shoulder push. Inti me catch say so a person is dangerous there. He needs to make sure the drop act and the shoulder push, they fluctuate. Into on say danger on because say so steady. Unim sa won tiasie. Into the shoulder push and no epic king then drop and yeah the into the king. On say epic it. Into na me catch it Frederick so you so no. Or you said it no into ko you say no ko wini Frederick Ba mini pano no into nyome boa munya botre into on say and now I'm going so where there na sane they said dangerous you 2 types your there close in 2 types and your there so on say obako drop it and pick and then Frederick use no because maybe you su there close and open no. And a Frederick Yusu, inti won't asia abaji so Kevin there or bar like a cancer, yenimum and yenimsa. Yes, so and yende, it Frederick Ba minipa. It is a woman simple, sa near the day, yache. All right, Mummy Quenim. Now, a dinner equaswa mente and the public cancer. Acquire what we are talented guy. I and it to for them and I'm a dog piao. One would be no wood Jimmy Matiomo. A dinner equaswa mente. Jandam bang ke so ke set satan na iswaba breaks inti adeni ayache enana inti on say yasa me ana me yeso na so be so distract me Mr. P ana me pese me kasatu as a girl say hey is a Korean people girls no eh na ba ko girl wa friend Vida wa friend o say eh Vida na ukui e say just be bia onim yo ai me say me nuane nua me there's a Korean people girls na show for I'm afraid from home. Now with your bed then ya kwedo so enye you. Me dem put them can person me just make too much na. O ya ko malam for malam so no anka so malam. Nti ehun se na enya no ai. ai yakondro so se nka epese enya no na nka timdi eye video na nkofo se ono da ho no enso yakokora eduro fo no se ono kora we eduro part eduro headquarters inti o the MPP ashow for Brendan bibia where den ho fe na den dey say politics intra na hwe bemo gina ona hwe ba omia omo ni anim akomem omo ni se omo dome omo ni se koyie ai we dey say Kenya ne dia flag bearer dia ba ko no nko school say flag bearer Kenya flag bearer dia flag bearer dia and say we dey Kenya campaign no and I see address ne di na chi akono sa na mo frɛ mo MPP man no sa na mo frɛ me omo frɛ me akono hwɛ ai omushia ukunu aba oso wan akono MPP man frɛ me akono ai emu de emu da ho emu chi ai wadwa obodam on sha akọ Jimmy o na se be dwuno ho ana on sha akọ na ne hit de na mo
you know say pop
yes I'm a pop star she knows I'm a pop star I akono maba I Kevin Koberu Taylor aka akono MPP for my son from akono aba I akono no omo from see aka en akono I omo feel me too so mo nem one nam I omo to din MPP for who MPP ni be ma botwa I dey say o kan nantwie so e wo e dey Uzbekistan tan nti omo humi a omo hwe me sie omo nyina tete o hwe no omo frefre omo ho aye frempoma na wahu no waba o me kru crash dem my sma betena abonten ntontom hwe me so me hwe aboofuru na wo hwe wan o mebe no feda o dan manu kokotia sorry MPP for ma omo nyina tete na fosia na oda ho saloon o onu ntina men pon ye o ka me pon 7 esi ade waba ene twa me meba twa me so me watabora otetabora support BP no dross me ensa ke kan kwase asem o Facebook otetabora support BP munipa ene amamen fosu amen to meba sesa ye bia ni wo se ene memra ne enhwe ofitabora wafotrotro tim otie wona sum sa akotie no saloon abofunu ye ka no kra kire na mafie moto ye MPP ma omo munyem no so amaka kire obukunu num akono aba ende emewura osen nurse ye ote eye Santase people asi Santase light no ho no okase imagine ndrobi oboa opemfo okotena na danfo ho akohwe because obese nenim gigi menim se ne be owo a ne ba be se Kevin Taylor enti MPP apemfo ni nyina ta ahwe me because obi abese ne ba ho ofe oba abese owo be ma ogina so a nenim ofe nenim da ho enti MPP apemfo mna omusuro se ombewo ekufu ado type ni bi ba omia type no omusoro na mo hwe me enti be ko omdi pinyina ye mea enti opemfo ka kire kuru so wo ko nurse from poma ho okojindro last we come maternity okase me magi ba kubi oboa okona danfo no akokohwe Kevin Taylor opese de ba de se Kevin akono aba apofuru ja party ne ko party papa now mama ndwa bi fufuro bo gire o ade na ekoso amenti ye jandam bi o system nim. Is there another jandam that is jandamming that we have to jandam kill jandam bi o system nim ana na yanku jandam no and say me 2 days ago and I met say a year MPP for omukoko aso Miracle Aboagye monya preko dan bi manadem since oka say nsu afa ne dan ne hu ne dan no asiato de ni asese de kotra ne egu o Miracle Aboagye ka say nsu afa no ye hu bebi dan ne wo ye hu se ba omia de ni akohwe ye hu se MPP for akọ aka say oh Miracle Aboagye fie ne nsu okomu ne nyoma nyina say ye hu bi akọ na no fia se wo ba etitivi so keka nkwase asem eye Iran or one ke achina hange no wo se nsu afa wo dan ye hu picture ye hu video bebi ati ye nim wasiampanyi we ni ase de kotra ne egu o motete Ghana kan kwase asem now jandam no mate jandam fufuro bi and it's about your say nkokon kete every video with Jimmy o you see a minister called parliament no and ye ka omoka eye de eye NDC policy ba ko ana say intervention ba ko de ba ya eye nkokon kete a NDC launch here and the idea about nkokon kete ni nyina MPP die ana some time kra no I don't want to waste my time on them. Idea about nkokon kete is saying
the NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it. The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it.